So you've been watching this segment on how to clean your records, and maybe you just watched my segment on the the gold mine standard record grading system, and you think, well, covers are graded as well as records. Maybe I should clean my covers. I'll be able to sell them for more. I wouldn't really suggest it. Now, certainly, if you're going to clean them, don't use record cleaner. The important part, reason why you shouldn't use record cleaner is it's really, really strong. If I were to spray record cleaner on this and start to wash it, a lot of the ink is going to come off. In fact, if you get record cleaner on this and you rub it, you're going to find ink is coming off of the center. This stuff is really strong. Now, I mean, yeah, there's a little bit of damage here. I wouldn't be against, like, trying to scratch it off. May or may not have just damaged it even there. I mean, brushing it off, you can see this has some mold. I mean, you don't need to clean your covers. They are what they are, unfortunately.